Hey guys, thanks for coming back for another episode of the Snap Ring Chronicles. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And if you like this type of content, please give me a like. Today we have a KAL USA Ratchet. Don't know much about them, other than I think they were a military contract. But besides that, I'm not sure if KAL is the manufacturer, or if they had other people manufacture their tools for them. I know some of their stuff comes from Japan. So this is a KAL USA, so not too sure. Here's a look at the Ratchet. Okay, let's take a look inside. Here's a look at the anvil and mechanism. Two big pawls. Double pawl design. There's the ball detent. Pretty stiff. Okay, the way I like to take these apart is I like to press down on the pawls that are sticking up. Press down on them both at the same time and try to get the plunger. You see the plunger in there? Try to get that to sit underneath this post here. Try to get it underneath the post. So press them down and I slide them underneath that post. See? Now both plungers, they're underneath the post, so the pawls are just flopping around. Now what I like to do is I like to just shake them out. See if I grab them. I grab the switch on the top here and just like little by little try to shake it out. Oop, that one peeked out again. Just little by little, here it comes. And you want to catch the plungers because they're spring loaded and they'll fly out. Let me see if I see them peeking through. Yeah, here's this plunger, see it? And it popped up. Luckily it didn't go flying. And then we got the bottom one there peeking out. And I just put my finger there to try to hopefully stop it. There we go. This is the switch with the plungers. Has two plungers, one kind of in the front and another one in the back. That's what they look like with the springs. They're kind of hollow, so the spring fits inside of. Here's the other one. And here's the switch, and you can see the holes where the springs sit in. Let's look at the switch. Okay. Here are the pawls. They're held in by these posts. Sometimes if you're lucky, you can shake them out. Yeah, here's that one. That's what the posts look like. And here is the paw. There's 4 teeth on these paws. So it gets a pretty good grab onto the teeth. The other post. And the other paw. And here's a look at the mechanism housing. Here's the groove for the ring. The retention ring goes into that groove. Okay, we put this back together in reverse order. Line up the paw with the hole. Post in. Line up the paw again, the hole. Second post in. Okay, now this is the tricky part. So take these plungers and springs and put them in. Okay, what I do is I put the first one in and squeeze it down. Okay. I put it underneath the post again, this part, to where it's just sitting under there. Okay. And I pull it out a little bit so I can see the other hole for the other plunger. So I can see that plunger. Into that hole. Spring in the plunger. Oops. Yeah, this takes a little patience. Okay. All right, there we go. Press that spring in and I push them in. And they're both going back and forth. Okay. And you take your mechanism, you put it back into the, oh, before I go put that back in, just show you the teeth here. Has 45 teeth. It's bored straight through. There are no ledges or cutouts. Just bored straight through. And you press down on the poles that are up a little bit to get it in there. And yep, it's working. You take your ring. You get the lip started and you roll it around. Roll it around. Like that. And it snaps in. Now it's secured. Oh, there you have it. That's the KAL USA Ratchet. Thanks a lot. Until next time. Bye.